OER is proud to present our reproduction of the original style steering wheel, which was an optional N34 package available in all 1967 to 68 Camaro, Impala, full-size Chevy, and Nova models. This wheel was originally referred by the factory as the Woodgrain plastic rim sport style steering wheel. OER's reproduction steering wheel is an officially licensed GM restoration part that adheres to only the highest quality production standards, featuring an authentic appearance, look, and feel of the original GM steering wheel without the high price of a used original GM wheel, allowing you to bolt on and upgrade to your Chevrolet at a fraction of the cost. Utilizing the latest manufacturing methods and techniques ensures that OER's reproduction steering wheel is as close as possible to the original, featuring the correct simulated wood wrapped around brushed aluminum center spokes. OER, setting the standard for quality restoration parts.